Hello folks, Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technologies with a little video here for you showing off our picture-in-picture chart technology as well as our stock market racing. We've got a picture-in-picture chart on the left side here with KNSA daily chart and a weekly chart inside. So we can see this gap up and a breakout on KNSA on both the weekly and daily charts. Here on the right side of my screen, we have our proprietary stock racing, and this is set up for me. Relative strength from the open scan. It's very customizable, shareable. It's based on metrics that I programmed it with. On the left side of that scan is live data, stocks that are moving right now. That's happening as we speak live. So for example, KNSA after a pullback, trying to make its way back up here towards the high of the day again. On the right side of that scan, we have a watch list. These are stocks that have quote unquote won races based on metrics that I programmed it with. And so we can see AURC having itself a monster day. Bit of a pullback now, but we can see it's been in focus all day long, winning 14 races. RGTI here, same concept here. Been in focus all day long, winning 13 races. And it's starting to try to make a move back up here again. Can it get there? We don't know, but if we don't have a solid set of data to be looking at, things that are keeping stocks in focus for us, we'll miss these moves when they may be set up later on in the day. The other part that's beautiful about this is, as you can see, I have a clean screen. I don't have tons of scans or stocks or anything flashing all over the place. It keeps me very focused with a narrow set of data so that I can keep my attention focused on the things that are most important and moving based on my trading on this day. If you like what you see here, you want to learn more, come and visit trade-ideas.com, and we hope to see you there.